Yan. Kumusta naman kayo this Monday morning? How's everyone doing? Are you all good?
Very good.
Very good?
Ayos.
Okay, Kulas. We'll start with Kulas na lang. Sige, we'll start with you. Okay, I just want to know, what's your favorite Mang Inasal branch?
Actually, okay, so last year, I became a Filipino citizen, and along that journey, it was my final day when I was in Senate. So they finished my third reading, and there's a Mang Inasal at Harbor. It's called, I think, Harbor City. It's right by Manila Bay.
Yeah.
And me and all my friends, literally after becoming a Filipino, went there and ate Mang Inasal. So that's like my forever favorite branch because it was my first time eating there as a Filipino.
Yeah, so may story. Yung Harbor City branch, Mang Inasal, right? Malapit sa Manila Bay. Let's go with Fumi. Fumi!
Yes, hi.
How are you? It's always nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Yes, again.
So,
See you again.
so happy about.
Yeah. Love na love niya ang Mang Inasal. Si Fumi, sobra. Favorite Mang Inasal branch? Or do you have a go-to Mang Inasal branch?
Yes, Moa.
Moa.
Moa. Yes, it's very memorable branch because 2017, I'm YouTuber.
Okay.
I started YouTube. And that time, I went to that branch and then I tried to make the content unlimited rice challenge. Yeah.
Unlimited rice.
Yeah, that video is very viral. 2 million views.
2 million views.
That time. And like, my life very changed.
You changed.
I become very YouTuber talaga. Yeah.
So your door opened because of Mang Inasal chicken.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, we'll move over to the Blackman family. As a family, is there a go-to, Mommy Geraldine, is there a go-to branch that you, as a family, you go to enjoy, of course, Mang Inasal? Is there a go-to branch, Mang Inasal branch that you go to as a family?
Yes. So I grew up in Laguna Ifugao. So the nearest coming south in Laguna Ifugao is called Solana Vizcaya. So ever since I've been living there, we would always go there. Like my late grandma and grandfather would always go there. But recently, in April, as you can see this in this video, this one is in Mang Inasal where Nino and Jet enjoy and have their reactions. If you look at it,
Wow!
this was in Boracay.
I'm sure this went viral.
I think it had like 20 million views.
Wow! Look at that!
Like,
With the crema de leche, crema de leche, halo-halo. There you go. Daddy Joshua, how about you? Is there a specific branch or what's your favorite, your go-to Mang Inasal meal?
So we usually go to Solana, but I think the first time I went to Mang Inasal was in Boracay because we went for a holiday to Boracay. The first time Geraldine brought me here, so that was very interesting. Then when we went back to Boracay, we went to this restaurant, so it's got lots of memories in Boracay. The only reason I come to the Philippines is so I can have some halo-halo from Mang Inasal.
I'm sure you can show your boarding pass ticket, you'll get a free halo-halo with your PN2. Alright, Melay! Yan.
Good afternoon, good news sa lahat ng mga nandito. Sobrang talaga nakaka-pressure mo na nandito kasi dito mga boss, dito dito.
Tapos 10 million viewers pa tayo sa TikTok at Facebook.
Okay lang yan, kaysa hindi natin sila nakikita. Pero ito lang ako talaga kasi katabi ko mga English yan, mga katabi ko. Na-pressure pa ako dito sa mga boss, na-pressure pa ako dito sa mga English. Pero kailangan na natin ito because this is mag-isa natin sa...
Melay, where is your favorite Mang Inasal branch? Ano paborito mong Mang Inasal branch? Saka yung go-to Mang Inasal meal mo?
All the branches.
Yun. Parang
The 600 branches.
Very credits pa.
Saan ka lang napagpad? Talagang luminas na talaga ang hanapin mo. Pero ang pinaka-favorite ko kaya China is kung sa Kalumpang, sa Jensan. Doon sa Jensan, kasi sa kanto namin may mga kinasal, sobrang saya ng barangay namin. Pupunta pa kami ng city pag bumili ng Mang Inasal. So ngayon, talagang nung meron na sa kanto, talagang lahat naging masaya na.
Patay yung Andy Rice doon.
Andy Rice talaga at saka yung chicken.
Ayun, chicken, Andy Rice, at chicken oil. Yan, ang favorite natin sa Mang Inasal. Alright, let's move. Balik tayo kay Fumi at kay Kulas. Okay. We just want a quick backstory. When you first came here in the Philippines, what was the first, what made you visit Mang Inasal? You're talking to us about after I think a shoot or something, you,
Yeah,
as a Filipino,
Well, the first time I ever came to the country was 2013. And right away, after a week, I went to Kengi and Dioro. And for sure, my outdoor barcada took me to Mang Inasal. And the thing was, I remember, when you get to Mang Inasal before National, you know, there's this only rice thing.
Yeah.
It's like, what is this? Why does everybody want rice? Then you get the chicken out, you're eating it, and you're like, it makes sense. So yeah, that was my first time. I was invited by friends. I think it's like a community bring together kind of thing, you know.
Have you started to love rice a little bit more now that you're Filipino? Now you know, you understand the Filipino love for rice?
If I didn't love rice, I would be unbecoming. So, becoming Filipino, you must eat rice and you must
Your citizenship will be revoked if you don't eat at least 3
Dahan-dahan
cups of
lang.
rice. Dahan-dahan. How you, Fumi? Let's talk about your first. What was the reason as to why you talked about your first vlog with Mang Inasal?
Yeah.
Who gave you that idea?
Actually, like my friend told me about the Mang Inasal. Kasi 2017, like I'm starting pa YouTube, di ba?
YouTube.
And that's why, walang pera talaga at that time.
So kailangan only rice.
Oh, then my friend said, like, you want to Mang Inasal, it's only rice. And then I said, wow, it's amazing Philippines, di ba?
Amazing, only rice.
A lot, that's why. And I showed the video.
You should have been.
Oh.
So it's a good reason. No money, only rice. Let's go there, only rice. Alright. Okay, we'll go back to the Blackman family. Maybe for Daddy Joshua, of course, and Mommy Geraldine. Was this the first time Nemo and Jet tried Mang Inasal? That was the first time. What was that like? Their reaction? I mean, we saw their reactions, but what was that like, especially for you, Mommy, because you know Mang Inasal, and were you excited? Were you expecting for them to react that way, or for them to love Mang Inasal?
I think Jack and you would want to say something. What do you want to say about Mang Inasal when you went to Boracay and had that video?
You love Halo Halo?
So maybe can you just tell them what is your favorite Mang Inasal?
Yes.
What is it? Okay, you know.
I like the rice and the soup.
Matipid na active sila. Diba? Parehong libre. Parehong anli.
What's your favorite? Halo-halo?
Halo.
Yes, halo. Alright. Did you expect for them to enjoy that much?
No, I didn't because you know the soup is like very maasim, and then I was very surprised because people loved it so much. It's like we were able to make that viral video. That was of course Josh. Ever since we were dating, and then he first started coming here in the Philippines, he already loved the halo-halo.
Mang Inasal talaga.
Mang Inasal, like always.
So I think I've been on like ever since I was introduced to Halo Halo, I've been trying out all different places where I can try Halo Halo. But I used to have favorite places elsewhere, and then when we went to Mang Inasal the first time, I was like, oh, that's it.
That's it. That's it. It's always Mang Inasal now. Especially because you're a regular now, of course, with Mang Inasal. Alright? Mamshi.
Yes, people.
Ikwento mo naman sa akin. Dahil na-open up mo na kanina yung General Santos and yung love nila for Halo-Halo. Kwento mo naman kami yung mga Mang Inasal moments mo sa General Santos City.
Yung talagang pinakaunang experience ko talaga sa Mang Inasal, I cannot English it and very small. Yung pinaka-experience ko talaga, yung talagang nagpuntahan lang doon kasi anti-rice, anti-soup. Alam mo, hindi mo pa pagkaupos mo sa rice, lalagyan ka kaagad, suubutin mo ulit, tapos lalagyan ka ulit, busog naman ako, nilalagyan pa rin ako ng rice. Ganun talaga sa Mang Inasal, pero sobrang sarap at sobrang saya na kasama mo ang pamilya mo. Tapos noon pa, pag kumain kasi hindi pa ako artista kasi noon, parang sabi rin naman artista na person. Hindi pa ako artista talaga. Nung kumakain kami ng Mang Inasal, talaga medyo mayaman ka na. Kasi pag sa city talaga, parang pag nakakain ka sa labas, kasi di ba dati pag pumunta ka ng mall, kumain lang tayo dito sa bahay. Doon pag kumain ka talaga sa Mang Inasal talaga, uy, mayaman.
Wow, Mang Inasal.
Tapos pag hindi mo naubos yung pizza, pinitake out pa yung hotdog.
Yeah.
Pero simple niya yun, it's a very comfort food of ours. So pag kunwari, hindi kami makaluto sa kuan, Mang Inasal na natin. Kung hindi naman kami may kuan, Mang Inasal na kontak agad yun.
Kasi dine-in or take out or delivery, pwede na ba?
Mas take out kami.
Oo, mas take out yun. May diferensya ba? yung manginasal, yung experience lang. Of course, with family doon or dito sa Manila, ikaw, pag nagutom ka lang, or comfort food mo.
Same experience, same feeling.
Yun.
Kasi pag manginasal kasi parang pistahan eh. Parang kumakain kayo sa restaurant, hindi talaga pwede na hindi kayo magkamay. Kasi mas masarap kasi pagkatapos mo kamay, gagawin mo kami, masama pa yung mga harin. So talagang the best talaga pag nagkakamay ka sa manginasal.